Okay. So we want to use all this, we want to use this information to create charts. Now we want to use this information to create charts. Please know that chart is supposed to make your information easy to understand. Any chart that is complex to understand is no longer chart, is charty. So let's move to chart. So first of all, I will show you column chart. I will show you column chart. So how do we get to column chart? You go to insert. Look at these are charts. These are charts. So you can go to recommended chart or you go to this small arrow. So once you go to recommended chart, you click on all charts, all charts. Then you can see the number of charts you have. You see, we have a lot of charts. So what we want to discuss is column chart. And in column chart, we have different type of column charts. Can you see that? We have different type. This type is different from this type. Why this type is different from this type? Can see this 3D. This is also 3D. This 3D column chart and the like. So you must be familiar with the chart so that you know there are some charts you might need for some things. Some might not be suitable to represent those information. So yeah, let's do our column chart. So you put your cursor on the chart you want to represent. Column chart, all charts, column charts. Let me do 3D. So you might like to do something that is not 3D, but let me use 3D. This one has too much of colors. Let's use this. Let's use this. Okay. Yes. All this information in this first table is now here. Now I will teach you how to format your charts. Now all this information is now here. You can see Lagos, Abuja, Rivers, Kano, blah 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 blah. May I want to arrange it in ascending, descending order, largest to small. Can you see largest to small? Should I use largest to small? Let me use this. Yes, A to R. So Abuja, Delta, Edo, Kano, so alphabetical order. So this is what I use. So let's format this chart. Now, some of you will likely do this chart and you won't see all this name. Once some of you do it, you might not see all this value. You say Abuja 240 to 220. You see that 240, 2021 is 240. 2021 is the one with blue, while 2022 is the one with orange. You can see that. You can change your color. Are you getting me? You can change your color. So let's format this chart. Now, the first thing is I will teach you is the chart elements. The chart elements. Now, if you click on your chart, just highlight your chart by clicking on it. Highlight your chart by clicking on it. Then you see these three icons. Here is your legend. So you can put in Axis title. You can remove Axis title. Axis title is like, let me put, now you see, I click on Axis title, give me this one. You can change it by double clicking on it and you put whatsoever text you want, maybe values. You see that? Then here also you can put states. You double click states. Are we getting it? You can put chart title, this chart title. Once I remove it, you see it's not there again. I can add the chart title. You can put, I want to put column charts. When you are doing your own, you can think of what to put. Date and label. You can see if I put date and label, it will give me the value of each, the information for each chart, each information, but it looks rough if I put it, so I remove it. Data table. Now you can put data table. It gives you the information of each data. Error bar. You don't need error bar. It's only if you are doing financial calculation and the likes. So I remove the grid lines are the lines that help you measure. I always advise people you should maintain your grid line because people will want to see the value. But if you are removing your grid line, you can put that data label or data table. Whichever one, it will be easier for us to relate with your data. So if you are removing your grid line, you put your data table or your data label for easy assimilation. But me, I love my grid line. Legend, you can remove your legend. This is your legend. What defines some of the definition of your chart is your legend. So you can remove it and you can put it. But for easy allocation, you can put it trade mile. The treadmill is a measure of how things were going from 2021 to 2022. So I don't put it most time because I'm doing a column chart. Any question on column chart? I move to, if you see, I tag the name of the chart I want to use. I move to pie chart. Now look at this. Look at this very well. If I use, for this one now, if I use pie chart, now I didn't teach you how to change colors. So click on your chart, you see, click on the color you want to change. You can change the background color. Once you click on it, by the right, it should give you this. It should give you this. So you can click on this fill. If I say no fill, then there's no background color for this chart now as we speak. There's no background color. Anywhere you put it, it will show the background, you see. So as a solid fill, you see the fill blue. I can change that blue from here. Either you change it here or you come to chart format or chart design, chart format. You can use chart design to pick a chart you want. You see, you can pick this chart, but most time I use chart format to change. I click on this, I double click on a color, then I change my color with shape fill. So let me use yellow. So I want a sharp color because I'm using black. If you can't change with shape fill, come here and change your fill here. You can use this one, but I love using shape fill. Looking for a brighter color. Yes. So this how you change your color. Now you want to thicken this, just click on it and go to home and bolden it. You want to increase it, you can increase it. But don't over increase whereby it loses its form. Don't over increase whereby it loses its form. Are we together? If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section. Now, any question on this chart, column chart? Now, I wanted to do something because I want to remove the column chart now. I will delete it. I'm done with it. I can take it to another space. No question. Okay, I delete. Now I'm moving to, let me not delete. Let me not delete. So we move to bar chart. Now you see that it has only two information. Here we have three information. That's why we use column. Here we want to use bar chart. So know the kind of chart you are using for which service you are rendering it for. So bar chart, you go to your insert, put your cursor on the information, go to insert, recommended, all charts, you choose bar. This is bar chart. This is bar chart. So I click on, let me use this. So this is bar chart. You can also format the way you want it to be. You can format the way you want it to be. So this one is still the same thing we have been doing, and change color and the lights. Welcome, Adikemi. God bless you. Any question on this chart I have done so far? If there are none, if there are no question, yeah, I like this. If there are no question, we can move on. If you want to change the bar horizontally, okay, Chinedu, if you want to change the bar horizontally, let me bring back the bar. Because it's a bar chart, you don't need to bring it horizontally. That's why you have all type of charts here. That's why you have all type of charts here. So you don't need it vertically, you need it horizontally. Use cluster. You can use this as your bar, you see? So it's not necessary you use bar, you can use other charts. Is that taking? Any question? So you didn't see your legend. Let me bring it back. Now, click outside your chart. Now click on your chart. Click outside your chart first, then click on your chart again. You will see the three options. Oh, good evening. I am a starter. Quest boy. I don't know how to call your name, but pardon me. Okay, Ilesomi. Ilesomi, you need to go through the videos we have done. I will drop the links on our WhatsApp page. Kindly watch all those videos, then you will catch up. And it's very explainable or very interactive, and I explain it exponentially. So you can go through those videos and you will catch up. But for now, you can stay and watch this section so that by the time you are watching it again, you can easily catch up with the training. Okay. Yes. Now, pie chart. Now, let's go to pie chart. I don't think I should be going through everything again since I have given you all you need to know about it. So I've taught you how to format your chart, but let me do pie chart. And let me not do pie chart. You will do pie chart. Let me now do combo charts. There's what we call combo charts. Combo charts is combination of two or more charts together in one chart. So now this is what I want to do. All charts, I go down to combo charts. You see combo chart, then I can select the kind of chart I want in my combo. Is it line versus line? Are you getting it? Or column versus line? Are you getting it? The one you want to be the first, you can put it there. Then the second one, let me put my column. Are we understanding what I'm doing here now? So you can also choose from the option here. Me, I like this one. I like the way this one is. So this is a combo chart. You can make it 3 combos. You can now format your chart. You know, I taught you how to format your chart. Blah, 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 So that's combo chart. Now let's do for 3 combos. 3 combos. So I do charts, inserts, recommended, all charts, combo chart. Now you see that it's giving me 3 options. 3 options. I can use column chart, then line chart. I can use bar, column, and line chart. I can, but know what you are doing because it will help you. Don't just use anyhow chart that, okay, I want to make it fine. No, make sure the charts you are using are reasonable. They are aligning all together. So I can use column, column, cluster, cluster, then line. Cluster, cluster, then line. You can change your color. So he said, which one should be secondary? You can say this should be secondary or this should be secondary. So depending on what you want. So when you finish, you can now change your colors. You see? I can now change my color and see this. I want color yellow for this. Why is it not changing? Okay. Okay, let me use this side. Yellow. Let me use yellow Africa. Did you see the combo charts? Any question on charts? Okay, you need to upgrade your Excel. Now, how do you know which charts to use? Now, to know the chart to use, you must be conversant with Excel and charts. You must be conversant with Excel and charts. For me now, I know what I want to do. I know how I know. just know that you want to represent your chart as simple as possible. You can start, I started by trial by error. There's no crime in trial by error when doing these things. Because when I started my own, I started with trial by error. What do I mean by trial by error? This was what I was doing. I'll go to insert my own. I choose combo. Then I will begin to look at what goes best. Now, they can give you options above here. You can choose from these options. Are you seeing it? I hope binary can see this. You can choose from this option here. For me, I do trial by error. I begin to choose from one chart to another, from one chart to another, from one chart to another. You see, if I choose pi, the second one, I will choose pi. Then the third one, I might choose something else. So I use combo like either cluster, then a different one, or bar, a different one, or some. I just make sure two are the same. One is distinct from both of them, but you can also try different way if it will work for you. So you are not subject to one kind of trying. It's always leads to markets. So you try your own and you will get your answer. Any question on that? If there are no questions on that, I would like to progress. Now, progress bar. Progress bar is more like what I've taught you. Conditional formatting is the same thing as progress bar. I taught you conditional formatting. You don't need anything too much. Just do conditional formatting data bar, and you get your progress bar. It's as simple as that. And here you use your formula relating to this. Your formula relating to this. Do you understand? If you understand your formula, you can know what I'm talking about. Equals if C2. Look at this. This is in progress, right? Now let me put it 100%. You see, it's changed to completed. That's because this formula is working for C2. How do you get that formula? You say if open bracket C2 equals 100%, give it completed. If not, any other thing, give it in progress. And if is less than, I also want to add a condition. Sorry, give it a completed. I like trying conditions. It helps me know more. If C2 is less than 0, is less than 0, less than 0, give it a not applicable 0%. Let me add percent here. Not you understand what I'm doing now? Okay, double why double, okay, double bracket. I didn't add the double bracket. If C2 is less than 0%, give it not formulas are sweet, oh, please learn it. You see, This is the only place I put the formula. I've not copied to every other place. So I want to put 0%, minus 2%, minus 2. You know, it's, you see, not applicable. Minus 2% not applicable because I change the formula. But here, if you put minus 2, you know, I've not put the formula here. If you put minus 2, it will just tell you in progress because the formula said in progress. But this one I added, if it's less than 0%, put not applicable. Do you understand me now? So this one works with the formula. If I still put a data here, it will work. So don't be scared. Just that I change the whole thing just because of this one. Any question on that? I'm here to answer your question or any question. No question. Binary, do you understand? Okay, green progress bar. Now, like I said, we did formatting, data set formatting. If you were in the formatting class, we did conditional formatting, data set. You pick your data. Do you see it? You pick your data, so you begin to input your data. If it's 60, it will give you. And it's very simple. Very, very extremely simple. Conditional formatting, blah, 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 blah. This one are personal work I did. Print setup, which is one of the last in this formatting. Print setup. Now, how do you print? First of all, you place it in table. Just Control T, Control T. Yes, this is a table. It has heading and the likes. Control T. After you do your Control T, you what? You Control P. Control P is print. Control T, Control P means print. You see, it brought all the data, but has divided it into two. If you notice, you see the second one did up and down, but I want everything to be in one sheet. You have to do scaling. Scaling. So you can do custom scaling. You can also, you just need to play with this printing kind of a thing. You just need to play with printing every page setup and the likes. You want it, me, I always choose A3 sometimes. Sometimes I use A3. It will give me all the paper, but A3 is a bigger paper because I have a bigger data and I want them in one place. A3 is very big, like double of A4 is A3. And if you say you want A4, can go back there and pick A4. This is on landscape. You can say I'm changing the orientation to portrait, but it will cut out some data which it will put under. But I guess there's a way collected. Okay. This one is if you want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is what you want to print. If you are printing, maybe we will have 10 pages. So you want to print it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you use collated. Non-collated, it will first print. If you say print 10, Maybe you have 7 pages, you want to print 10. If you first print all the first page, 7 places. You now print 7 places, print 3. But collated is if you print it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Now, narrow margin. If you need your margin to be very narrow, you put narrow. Most time I use narrow. This no scaling. Is it that I have everything in one page because I said fit on page, but it's narrow. It's narrow. Don't go and be using fit on page. Now I use fit on column. That means all the column will size it. Then if there's extra, it will go to the next page. Fit all rows. All rows. You shall know the one that fits you. So that's printing. Any question on print? Then if you are done, you want to print, just click on print straight. How many copies? 1, print straight. But make sure you have connected your system with the printer. It's very important. Any question as we are done with the beginners class and we'll move to the advanced class wherever God help us to. But trust me, with this beginners class, you are good to go to work as a secretary, to help people solve Excel solution. You are good to go. You know, one of our students reached out to me of recent. He works in an health insurance service. And he said when he got to work, with the little knowledge he had, he was able to help the boss solve an issue on Excel. And the boss was looking at him as like, you have many skills and the likes. And he was just smiling. When he was telling me, I was just smiling because I know Excel is a valuable skill to have. Excel is a valuable skill to have. In our advanced class, we'll be looking at, there's a lot we need to look at in advance. In advanced class, we'll be looking at sorting, basic filtering, advanced filtering, logical, that's advanced logical, advanced data validation, HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, database, data cleaning. If you want to be you want to use Excel to eat or to look for a job, or you want to be very good at Excel, look at these things I'll be marking for you. HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, data cleaning, pivot table, query, dashboard, and what else? Yes, dashboard. Then we'll look at, we can't go to application because I only have one more class with you. So I'll try to look at what we can touch in advanced class in our last class, which is on Thursday. Please be there. Be there on Thursday. Look at there's a project I was working on. I'm working on currently. This project, this is the normal sheet data given to me. Now, these are what they want me to do. It's a restaurant. They want me to sort out to analyze using all this, to get all this. Now, I have started my analysis. This is it. I have started my analysis. Let me show you where I'm going to. After I finish this analysis, you see, I've started analysis, sales analysis, revenue. I give it topics. You see, now after I finish this, look at where I'm going to. Let me see if I can get that document. Okay. I will present it in this format for them to be able to what? To go through. For them to be able to go through. Okay, this is the major work. This is where I finished it. Now, look at this. They work with these things. Okay, they are connected to this one up here. How will I reduce this? Let me see if you can see it. It's not edited. These slides are not working. These are called slicers. Sorry, I've taken it out of the document that is supposed to be working with. And this thing work by documents. Let me look for document. Oh, shit. I have deleted my raw data. Oh. We'll have to go and, oh God. Okay, I'll have to go and what I'm passing through is that what I'm telling you is that this is what I want to finish. Not necessarily like this, will be more prettier than this and has more information than this, because I'm working with a lot of set data here. I'm working with a lot of set data here. Those ones are minor data. You can see that I already have something I can come up with a dashboard. I want to set a dashboard. Let me see another one I set. I have few I've done. I want to show you the possibility of what you can use Excel to achieve. Yes, this is another dashboard for sales. Now, this dashboard work with this information. You see, this information is what we transform to this information. Is what we transform to this information. Now, when you click, let me reduce this. Now, when you click Mercy, for Mercy, you will see all our information. Emmanuel Sales, you see all our information. This is another dashboard, different from the one I showed you earlier. So dashboard can be done in many ways. This is another dashboard. So this is where I'm looking to bring you into, that you can confidently. Now, if you want to be confident with Excel, let me give you a hint of what you will do per project. Number one, you will extract data. You will extract data extraction, data cleaning, data transformation. That's all what went into this data you are seeing. Then data modeling, data analysis, then dashboard. Then you give your executive summary. Then you submit your project. That's how you do dashboard. And I'm looking to bring you into this, but I fear time is not on our side. But as far as I can go on Thursday, I will go. As far as I can go, I will go. I will try my best to cover as many as possible. Any question before we call it a day? Any question? No, I promised you 2 weeks. Any question? Any question? I'm ready to take your question. If there are no questions, your assignment is for those who submit their assignments. Thank you so much. I appreciate your response. I appreciate everything you are doing. I saw your assignment. I went through. Some of you we might need to do a little bit of correction and the likes, but I will put it in our next class. So any question? charts are important for data analysis too. So I will send this document to you. Please make sure you attempt all those charts in it. Is anybody asking a question? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry I cannot extend the class except those who say they want to pay for a class. If you want to pay for a class, no problem. I take people online and the likes, and you become a pro in Excel. In Excel, practically you become a pro. Now let me show you what my students have been doing so far. I have students online who have been working and tirelessly working on. You won't be with me and not do and not work. Trying to find the assignment. You know, I have a lot of assignments on my download. This gift. Yes, gift. If I tell you the story of this young lady, look at what she can do now. Look at the data sets. Look at what she has analyzed. These ones are now going to dashboard. She has used pivot table to break down this analysis for easy consumption. So this gifts assignment. Let me see if I will find another assignment. Look at this dashboard. Do you like this dashboard? So this is what we are doing. This is what we are doing in the advanced class. For those of you who would like to apply for the advanced class, you can apply. There's no problem. But I said this one is for 2 weeks, and I'm trying as much as possible to cover as much as possible. In the advanced class, what we do, I'm not selling to you. I'm just saying those that are asking. I'm not here to say, I'm here to add knowledge. Those that are asking, in the advanced class, what we do is majorly practical. I teach you, give you assignment, submit, we look at it together, we work things together, and we come. In fact, we'll be doing classwork right there where you two, you'll be contributing and the likes. You know, in the hub here, you know, the truth is, let me tell you, what we do. I'm a CEO of Dick Technique Digital Hub. Is a hub in Ado Ekiti where we teach tech. We teach everything tech. I'm a seven-figure earner in USD, seven-figure earner, and I'm a freelancer, which I do web design and data analysis. I've been in this journey for 7 years. I'm trying to tell you a brief summary about myself, so you don't think we are here to just sell course. I'm not here to sell course. What I do is help people. And in the hub, for data analysis, we charge 210,000 naira for data analysis from novice to expert. We charge 210,000 naira. If you doubt me, you can come to Ado Ekiti, visit our hub in Obayemi Mall. If you know there, visit our hub, is by the road. But we do online class. We do online class. And I have my students in online class who are really doing well. So the class is for It's supposed to be for 6 weeks. That's what I take data analysis 6 weeks. That's from now for the next 6 weeks. You'll be in the class. We'll be doing practical, and that 6 weeks is not because you need to learn for those 6 weeks. It's because I want you to be good within that 6 weeks. Within 3 weeks, you should be done. Then we'll be bombarding you with the application class. Application class is when you begin to do projects, and we are going through it all together. I will send you projects. I will send you data sets. You will analyze it. You will do the dashboard. Then we'll come together. Every one of us will come together. We go through each dashboard within the last 2 weeks of the class. That's what we do. So in the advanced and application class, we do it for 100K. But because some of you might not really have 100K, like I know how Nigeria is at the moment. I know what Nigeria is saying at the moment. I know what Nigeria says at the moment. And I don't really I don't think I want to charge anybody for this class. But since some of you are asking for the advanced class, Power BI is not inclusive. We offer Power BI, but it's not inclusive in this package. Power BI, we offer it for 100K. That's a course on its own. Tableau and Power BI is a course on its own. I also do Tableau. I also teach Power BI. Look at my Tableau. This is my Tableau. I do Tableau and I do PowerPoint. These are the projects I'm working on, and I do PowerPoint also. So it's not in the package. Now, these are my students. You can see them sending data, doing a lot, and the likes. So we don't joke in our classes. We don't joke. Please, whoever is marking my screen should be careful. Ejo, be careful. So what I would do is, for anyone who is interested and you are willing to go for the advanced class, and you are willing to pay for the advanced class, we will leave it at 50K for the first 5 people. Just 5. I don't take too much people in my class so that I can take questions. I can attend to all questions. Just 5 people. If you are willing, just 5, 50K flat, just 5 people. And I'm not taking more than that. If you are willing, just message me, because I won't be posting account number on the group. The group is not for selling any course. I'm just saying this because of those of you that ask. Message me. I will send you my account details, the company's account details precisely. Then you can make your payment. Then we'll set you up for the advanced class. Any other question? Any other question? If there are any other questions, see, for you to learn Power BI, if you are good at Excel, Power BI is a small thing for you to learn. If you are good, Excel is the basics of any data analysis. If you know Excel, you can skyrocket from there. Excel is the basis of any data analysis. So anyone there who is willing to join the class, please feel free, because I won't post anything concerning selling on the group. The group is basically to teach 2 weeks, and we are leaving it there. But if you're interested, chat me up, message me. We are giving you a discount of about 160,000 naira. If you get that, if you get cheaper ones, maybe they won't teach you, they'll just give you recorded videos. It won't be as impactful as what I do, what I offer, because this is what I offer in the hub. Thank you so much. We'll meet again.